This is probably the best example. See how nice or hazy all this is? Look at that shine. You can clearly see the line right here. Wow. Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you so much for joining me today for another video. I appreciate your time. So today, I just got back from the wash rack. It's the first wash that I've actually done on my Forester here. And it kind of turns out that the paint is in a little bit worse condition than I thought it was initially due to just the amount of dirt and grime and stuff that's all over it. So, pop you guys off the tripod right here, kind of go over and show you a little bit what I'm talking about and talk about what I'm going to do to fix it and add a little bit more life to it for now. Alright, so like I said, the quality of the paint, it's a little bit worse than I was expecting, but nothing too bad to where I'm completely surprised. So there's a bunch of little nicks like this. There are a lot more little dings in the throughout the body, really, from hail damage, I'm assuming. When it's in the sunlight, the hood is a different color than the rest of the car, as well as the scoop there. And also up here, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not, but the roof and the hood are the worst they're the worst of the whole car. Obviously there's the amount of little, door dings and whatnot. It's a 2004, so it's gonna have a little bit of damage. Man, there's a lot of noise going on right now. But, to help correct it a little bit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with my clay bar here. I'm gonna go over, hit the spots that are rough, see if I can get quiet enough time where you guys can hear this. It sounds like I'm rubbing a piece of sandpaper. So the clear coat has a bunch of stuff embedded in it, which is why I'm gonna use a clay bar. So, pop you guys back on the clay, or back on the clay bar. We'll pop you guys back on the tripod, start clay bar in the worst areas, and then we'll move on to a polishing compound. Oh man, this is gonna take a long time. Maybe even multiple days, so let's get started. Alright, this is a pretty simple process. You take your clay and, well, usually you would have like quick detailer or some type of clay bar lubricant, but I have found that water works just as good. You just got to be a little bit lighter on the clay bar. But if I was doing my GTI or a really, really nice car that's got really nice paint, I'd probably go to the store and get some quick detailer. But since this is 2004 and it is far from a show car quality, this will work just fine. So we're just going to spray it on, get some lubricant going, and then we'll take the clay bar and go up and down or left to right. You don't want to do swirls because you don't want swirls in your paint. You're done with the small section. Get your microfiber towel, wipe away. So when you fill the surface the second time, should feel like glass. Super smooth, didn't catch anywhere. Go over here where it's not been, feels like sandpaper. Super, super scratchy and really, really rough. We're gonna go ahead, clay bar the whole hood, probably move up to the roof, clay bar it, and then we'll go back and start our polish wax portion. That may have looked quick, but that took a little bit of elbow grease and a lot of time. So now I have to do the rest of the car. I will check back in with you guys after I am finished, and maybe, most likely, it's going to be a different day. We'll get You know that point you reach where you're just like, I don't want to do this no more. I'm there. A machine would be ideal at this point. So I've been working on this thing for the better part of a full day, maybe. I've gotten basically from here back the hatch. Like I said earlier, the roof and the hood, I still have from there forward to do. Super slow process. What's taking the longest is the polish. Get the polish all rubbed on, and it just takes 3 times longer to get it out. But it is what it is, I guess. She's looking good though. Look good. All right, it's day 3. Working on this thing. Took a little bit of a break. Cut it off early the other day, but yeah, she's turning out real good. Nice and shiny. I actually wound up debadging her right there. I think I'm gonna leave Forester on now. What do y'all think? Think I should take it off? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all, she looks so much better. So much better. Like, wow, you can see a little bit deeper into the paint, you know. Catch the metal flake here and there. Definitely looks 100% better. 100% better. Man, it's awfully windy out here. Yeah, that's gonna wrap this video up. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and tag that subscribe button if you have not already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe.